So it is given that a government servant is having a basic of 34,000 and was sanctioned an advance of rupees 11 lakhs. So what is the amount? 11 lakhs. Advance was paid in 2 installments in March 22 and August 22. Since there is no specific amount mentioned of the installments paid, so we will assume that they are equal installments. Okay, so 11 lakh is the total amount. So in equal installment, it will be 5 installment of 5,50,000 each in 2 times. Okay. Now the advance to be repaid in 100 installments of 11,000 each. Here the amount of recovery is given. Amount to be repaid in 100 installments of rupees 11,000 each. Rate of interest will be 7.5% per annum. Recovery to commence from January 2023. Now the official repays interest on 18/11/2024. We have to calculate the amount payable by the official. So this is the summary of our question. Let's make one table. We require long table. Okay. This will be our period. This will be amount paid, amount recovered, and IDP. So here it is given that advance was paid in 2 installments. So we will start from March 2022. March 22, first installment was paid. It is for 5,50,000. No recovery was made in IBV. 5,50,000 will come directly. Next installment was paid on August. So in April, nothing was paid, nothing was recovered. It will remain as it is. May 22, it will remain as it is. June 22, July 22. Now in August 22, installment number 2 has been paid. So now it will be 11 lakhs. Next, recovery comes from January 2023. So up to January 2023, we have to continue. September 22. Okay, now recovery will start from January 2023. We have reached January 2023. So here the first recovery, that is 11,000, will start. Now we will calculate, we have to deduct the recovery. Let's go to calculator. We will require this calculator now. We just require the basic calculator. Okay. So 11 everything char 5 11 lakhs minus 11,000 is 1089 000. When the official will repay, let's go and find out. The official repays interest on 18/11/2024. So up to 18/11/2024 we have to continue. It will be 1078,000 March, April, we have to continue this until we reach November 24. Okay, so we have reached up to October. October 11,000 has been deducted and the IBB is 8,58,000. Now in the month of November, he wants to repay. He repays on 18th of November. So because the month is not completed and the IBB is completed on the end last date of the month, so interest, that is IBB, will not be calculated for the month of November, but the recovery will be made for the month of October. That will come in the month of November. Recovery for the month of October will be made on 1st November. So recovery, in the recovery column, we will add 11,000 here. But in IBB, because it is not the last date of the month, so IBB column will be blank in this case. Now we will sum up all this. Okay. So 5,50,000 plus 5,50,000, it will be 11 lakhs. 11,000 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 11,000 into 23, it will be 2,53,000. We can again calculate this like from January to December there are 12 months, and then from next January to November it will be 11 months. So 12 plus 11, it will be 5. 12 plus 11, it will be 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 23. 12 plus 11 will be 23. So okay, we are good. Now we will calculate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,50,000 into 5. 27 lakhs. It will come as 27 lakhs 50,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11 lakhs into 5. 55 lakhs. Now we have to sum up all this. So let's sum this. So here the total is 214,17,000. Let's sum this. 2 crores 14 lakhs 17,000. 2 crore 14 lakhs 17,000 plus our 275 2 3 4 plus 558 is a thing. So the total IBB will be 296,67,000. Okay, so now we need to calculate the amount he needs to repay. Okay, so the principal amount was 11 lakhs. So outstanding principal will be 11 lakhs minus 2,53,000 which will be 847,000. This is his outstanding principal, and his interest will be IBB 29667,000 into percent. What was the interest rate of interest? 7.5%. So 7.5%, that is divided by 100 into 12, because we need to convert this monthly IBB into yearly interest. So this will be 29667,000 into 7.5 divided by 12. So it is 185,418.75, or rounded off to 185,419. So amount payable is his outstanding principal, that is 847,000 plus the interest, that is 185,419. Amount payable on 18/11/2024. So this will be 847,000 plus 185,419, 1032417. Okay, so we are done with our HBB sum. Question number 1. Let's find out our question number 2. So for our question number 2, we are given one GPF sum. So let us summarize our question first. Prepare GPF ledger of Mr. X for the year 2023-24 for the following information. Basic pay in level 6 is 68,000. Basic pay we do not require still, because it is given in the question. I am writing it. What we require is opening balance as on 01/04/23. It will be 237,000 is having an opening balance of GPF as on 1/4/2023 for rupees 237,000. Recovery in GPF ledger at the rate 45,000 with effect from 04/23 to 1/24, and recovery at the rate 25,000 with effect from 02/24 to 03/24. He has withdrawn in December 23 sum of rupees 1 lakh. Outstanding advance rupees 50,000 to be recovered in 10 equal installments with effect from 23 to 01/24. Rate of interest 7.1%. We need to calculate the IBB, interest, and closing balance as on 31/3/24. So we have all the details with us. Let's again make this chart. For month, this will be for month. This will be for recovery. Advance का दिया, advance का recovery का दिया, ये IBB. This will be month, recovery, advance, recovery of advance, and IBB. So balance as on 1/4/2023 is 237,000. opening balance as on 01/04/23 is 2,37,000. 2,37,000. We'll again require our calculator. So April, what is his monthly installment amount? 45,000 with effect from 4 to 1st of 24. 45,000. Okay, now let's see, he has withdrawn in December. Here we'll be having one more column of withdraw. So let's quickly draw it. So our outstanding advance to be recovered from 1/4/23 to 1/4/24 withdraw is on December 2023. So here we are adding this advance car recovery is 50,000. So we are having balance of 237,000. We are depositing 45,000 minus advance car recovery है 50,000. So IBB will be 2,32,000. April 23. May 23 again it will be same. Oh yeah, sorry, outstanding advance is for rupees 50,000, which is to be recovered in 10 equal installments. So it will not be 50,000, it will be 50,000. 50,000 divided by 10, so it will be 5,000 only. So 237,000 plus 45,000 minus 5,000. It will be 277,000. 5,000 again, recovery of 5,000 plus 45,000 minus 5,000, 3,17,000. Or we can actually directly add 40,000 only. In June, the entry will be like this. We can directly add 40,000. July, 45,000. Okay, he has increased his contribution with effect from February 24. So up to December, nothing is going to change. It will be 3,97,000. August, September, October, November, December. Now something will change. After this, let's go to our question and see what happens after December. Our recovery was 45,000 up to January. From February to the 35,000. Withdraw in December 2023 or 1 lakh. So there is a withdraw in December. In December 23, we will make one more entry of withdraw. So balance will be 4,97,000. Anything else? No. The recovery will be continued to January, and again we have to change the total contribution amount with effect from February. So in January 24, the contribution will be 45,000 and recovery amount will again come into account. it will be 5,37,000. So we have completed our recovery. The 10 installments are completed. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so recovery here is completed for the advance. We have come to February. We have completed this. We have completed this. We have done this. Now the recovery amount will change. Effect from February, it will be 25,000. So now we need to add 25,000. We need to calculate his balance up to March 2024. So we have reached our end. His total balance is 587,000 because the official is still continuing in service and is not retiring. Okay. Or if the person would have retired, then the GPF contribution is stopped before 2 months of retirement. That is, for the last 3 months, the contribution is not taken into account. So, for contribution for January, February, March would have not been taken into account. But the contribution of March will take effect on first. So, we generally do not take this for last 2 months. For last 2 months, we would have stopped. So, let's total all this. 45,000 into plus it is 5 lakhs, it is 50,000, it is 1 lakh. Now our IBP is okay, this will be our single entry. Okay, in the month of December we are having 2 entries, so this will not be taken. This will be our final entry for December. IPP is 5,51,900. So we have been asked to calculate IPP is 5,519,000. Interest is 5,519,000 into 7.1 divided by 100 into 12. That is equal to 5,519,000 into 7.1 divided by 1200. It comes to 32654. And his closing balance as on 31/03/24 is 5,87,000. So our question number 2 is also complete. That's all for the day. Thank you.